Alright, hi guys, this is Mr. Chen speaking again. So in this video series, I'm going to talk about rotation for your sprites. Okay, so how do we do rotation? Okay, first off, let us load in a sprite. So I'm not going to use the bat again, I'm going to use this crab. Okay, now from here, I've clicked on motion. Okay, so notice what are the command blocks for rotation. First we have this: turn clockwise 15 degrees, turn anti-clockwise 15 degrees, point in a certain direction again, right, and point towards. Okay, I'm going to explain to you what these four command blocks do. But first off, what you need to take note is, look at the three buttons here. Instead of clicking only face left and right, we want our sprite to rotate. So we have no choice, we have to click the first one, can rotate. Okay, so click on it, okay, it goes one round. Notice the blue line is facing to the right again, it's pointing this side, right, this side. Okay, so I want it to change direction, I want to rotate. Okay, so I'm going to click this. So notice what happens, the blue bar is slowly going around, changing every 15 degrees. And when I clicked it enough time, it has traveled 360 degrees. Okay, when I click on the second one, it's going in the other direction. Okay, so basically this is the easiest way to get our crab to change direction. Alright, so I can just change the number of degrees so that it can change let's say 60 degrees with one every time I click on it once. Alright, okay, and we can do the same for the other one. We can change it to, let's say, 120 degrees. Alright, so every time I click on it, it changes in a bigger number of degrees, and 3 times and it's the same again. Alright, so this is for your rotation. Now how about here? Remember, if you watch or remember the previous series on only left and right without rotation, well, now this is with rotation. So does this command block still work the same way? Okay, let's find out. For now it's pointing to the right. I'm going to change it to the left. So I'm going to double click. Oh, take a look. It has turned upside down. Why? Because it now can rotate. So the bar has rotated all the way to the other side. The blue line has rotated all the way to the other side, and this has caused the crab to turn upside down. Okay, because now it's following the blue line. If I switch my direction to up and I double click again, look here, now the crab is facing to the left and the blue line is upwards. Okay, so what does this mean? It means that now the crab is rotating. It's not flipping like when we use this one, only face left and right. Okay, when I click on face left and right, okay, notice that the crab is upwards, but the arrow is still pointing downwards. Okay, so that's the difference between rotate and can move left and right. Rotate means the crab will rotate together with the blue line. Left and right means that although the direction has changed, the crab will always face upwards. Okay, it won't rotate at all. Alright. Okay, then the last one, point towards. Okay, for this we need to put in another sprite. I'm going to put in a bee. Okay, I'm going to put a bee here. I'm going to put the crab here. Okay, so what does this thing do? Now, because I put in the bee, so when I click here, notice it can point towards my mouse pointer, but which is not what we want to do, or it can point towards my sprite 2. So put in sprite 2 and double click. Okay, so point towards sprite 2. Notice where is the blue bar facing. It is pointing towards your B, right? It's pointing towards your B here. If I put my B down, put my crab up, okay, I'm going to click here again. Notice the crab has rotated, and now the blue line is pointing in the same direction towards the B. Okay, if I put my B downwards and I double click again, look, the blue line is now pointing downwards towards the B. So this is basically what you want to use if you want your sprite to react to another sprite. Okay, you want your sprite to turn in the direction of another sprite, this is the command bar that you use. Okay, now I understand it may be a bit difficult for you to understand point in direction, but please go and play around with it. Okay, go and experiment. Go and find out what I can do using this command block. And if there is still further questions, please come and approach any of the CPA teachers, Mrs. Pang, Mr. Edmund, or myself, Mr. Chen. Okay, thank you for watching, and please keep practicing. Thank you. Bye.